This is every little girl's dream. Let's start opening. Inside this box is a $2,500 American Girl kit haul, and I'm so excited to share all with you. There are a ton of things that I'm keeping, and then also a ton of things that I'm going to resell. So buckle up. This is going to be a really exciting video. I found this lot on eBay, and I realize it is very expensive. So before I purchased, I did find a sponsor for the video. PrimeLister is actually one of the longest sponsorships I've ever had. I partnered with them forever because I really do love their product. They not only allow you to boost your Poshmark sales with their cloud-based automation system, but they now have a cloud-based cross-listing service, which means that you'll only have to list one thing one time in one place, and then you can put it on a ton of other platforms. So for this, I'm going to be able to photograph and list all the things that I'm not keeping for Kit on my Poshmark, and then I'll be able to quickly cross-list it to eBay, Depop, Mercari, all those other places, so that buyers get a lot more eyes on it. So be on the lookout if you are interested in any of these outfits, because I will be listing them hopefully by the time this video goes live. Anyway, guys, that is enough blabbing. Let's get into the haul. All this is new Kit stuff, so it's all new in box, and I'm excited. Look, I need to show you the top view. This is every little girl's dream. Let's start opening. Oh, guys, this is what I was most excited about. I will be keeping this. Sorry, I will not be listing it. It is Kit's hobo outfit, and it is complete. It is brand new. It even still has like the little silica stuff. I have been wanting this outfit forever. This one is a Be Forever box. It may be her accessories. Let's see if I guessed right. It is not her accessories. It is one of her dresses. I believe this may be her reporter dress. Let me know in the comments if it's not. And it comes, again, complete with her little jacket, shoes, and bow. This is one that I will not be keeping. Oh, I love this. This is Kit's birthday dress, I believe. I always really wanted this as a kid. I'm on the fence on whether I'm going to sell it or keep it. It also comes with her headband and her hanger. Guys, I don't know how this person managed to get all of this stuff just new in box. Like, this is just crazy to me. Oh, this is another one that I'm keeping. I'm so excited. It even has a little book in it. Can you guess? It's her play romper. I really love this. I love the bunnies on it, on the airplanes. I love just everything about this outfit. It is Kit's chicken coop set. Guys, this is the cutest outfit I think American Girl might have ever made. Like, look at the buttons in the back, the shirt. It comes with the chicken. Ah! I don't really want the chicken, I guess, with the outfit, but maybe I'll sell the chicken if you guys are interested. Oh, guys, so I am selling this, and I think this is going to be something really popular. It is Kit's Reds fan little outfit. So she has her pants, her shirt, the little Reds jersey jacket. I just dropped the hanger. Oh my gosh, so this is Kit's bathing suit. So it's complete. We have the shoes, we have the outfit. I love the umbrella. I just have a thing for a doll umbrella. The hat, it's the glasses for me. But look at that queen with the glasses. So this is Kit's gardening outfit, and I actually will have to break the seal on this to show you all. So I'm gonna try to do it very delicately. Break the seal. Oh my gosh, guys. This was not a keep, but can you tell I love overalls? So cute with the little floral shirt. Comes with her headband and her shoes. Got more, don't you worry. It's another Be Forever box. Her Be Forever box clothes are really cute. Oh, these are her pajamas. The ones that are like the newer thing, and I never liked this. I really liked her OG sailor pajamas. Oh, I love this. It is Kit's Christmas dress. I did not realize it had like a 3D like dog pin on it. That is so cute. And it has the bow with the clip. They used to do like the barrette instead of the, you know, hair tie. Socks and her shoes. This I will sadly be selling. Next we have another Be Forever, and it is, oh, super cute. I am selling this, but it's really cute. It is like a cute little like dress. I'm saying like way too much. With this sweater cardigan that's pink and has the buttons going down. these shoes though. The pink shoes with the bows. Love that. And then the little bow. See what I mean? They used to have like barrettes on the back and now they're all hair ties, which I don't know why they did that, because I feel like the barrettes are way easier to use to style their hair. Easy, breezy, beautiful American girl. Oh, I love this. See, I thought this was her reporter outfit. I really did. I could be wrong, but super cute. And I think what I really like about it, oh, it also has a sweater, headband. We have shoes, the hat that I'm not gonna unwrap, and socks. This is a great complete outfit. This is Kit's reporter set. Oh, this is so cool. So it looks like it has, and look, everything is new. That's what really got me with this set. And I was a little nervous about it, but it's brand spanking new. The notes that go in her little pouch. I think this is her camera. Let's see, I'm trying to open her up. It is her camera. That is so cool. I love that. And look, it's a Kodak. That's amazing. She has some film for her camera. An actual newspaper. Oh, see, I really like this. She has some, her pen. And she has the actual, like, photographs that you can put on her wall. Here, I believe this is Kit's scooter. Her homemade scooter. Oh my gosh, guys, there's more in here. So, the sock monkey! More in here. Oh my gosh, like this is an OG Pleasant Company box. What's in here? Oh, these are her accessories. See, I'm so excited for the accessories. Oh my gosh, guys, there's more. I'm so, like, excited. These are Kit's work boots. I will be selling these. I do not need these. This might be the last small box, and then we have the scooter. I think this might be her dog. And it is. He's so cute. Okay, we have Kit's homemade scooter. So cool. This I will be selling because I think we already have it back at my mom's house, number one. And number two, I'm trying to stay away from big doll pieces that don't fit inside my dollhouse. Two magazines. One is the American Girl. Like, I think this is like the original magazine I used to read as a kid. And then a Meet, Curl, and Tan American Girl magazine. Very cool. I love looking back at these. I'll probably post a TikTok or something going through all of these. So let me know in the comments if you want to see that. Kit herself. I believe this is a Be Forever kit. She is brand new in the box. She still even has her little neck thing on her. She has her meat book. Again, I think this is a Be Forever kit. Let me know down in the comments if I'm wrong. So if you're looking for a Be Forever kit, you found her. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thanks again, PrimeLister, for sponsoring this video. Be sure to check out my link in my bio and check out my platforms too for all the stuff that's listed. Also, if you've made it this far and you're not following me, what is going on? We're obviously meant to be best friends because you love doll stuff as much as me. So be sure to hit that follow button, hit that like button, and I'll see you real soon.